Guess what? Apple just dropped a bombshell in the tech world by acquiring Pixelmator, a photo editing app that's got Adobe shaking in its boots. But what does this mean for you? Let's break it down. Pixelmator isn't your average photo app. It's packed with tools like non-destructive editing, layering, and some crazy AI-powered features. Basically, Photoshop's cooler, more affordable sibling. And now, it's officially part of Apple's family. Why? Because Apple's stepping up its game in creative software. Imagine Pixelmator, but now it's turbocharged with Apple's ecosystem. Seamless syncing with Mac, iPad, and iPhone, maybe even exclusive features for Final Cut Pro and iMovie. Game changer. But here's the catch. What about the price? Pixelmator's been a one-time purchase, but Apple loves a good subscription model. Will this mean higher costs for us creatives, or will Apple surprise us? Fingers crossed for the latter. One thing's for sure, this move is set to shake up the creative world. Will Adobe fight back? Will Apple win over the pros? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Smash that like button if you're excited, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates.